Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of the same old gym routine and want to inject excitement into your workouts, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into functional fitness challenges that will not only test your strength and endurance, but also bring the fun factor back to fitness. Whether you're training solo, with a group, or engaging your social media audience, these challenges are guaranteed to push your limits and build real-world strength. Let's break out of the boring and take your fitness to a whole new level. Ready? Let's jump in. One of the best ways to simulate real-world strength is with the Sandbag Carry Challenge. This isn't just about lifting weight, it's about controlling it, carrying it over distance, and battling fatigue. Grab a sandbag or a heavy duffel bag if you're at home. Set a distance, say 100 meters, and time yourself. The goal? Complete 5 reps of 100 meter. Walk as fast as possible. Alternate carrying styles: front hold, shoulder carry, and bear hug. Not only does this test grip and core strength, but it also simulates tasks like carrying groceries, lifting gear, or moving furniture. For social media, this challenge is gold. Film your progress, time each round, and encourage others to beat your score. Add hashtags like #SandbagChallenge or #functionalstrength to grow engagement. So the next time you want a cardio strength with serious payoff, pick up that bag and get moving. The best part is you don't need fancy gym equipment, just grit and determination. Next up is the Burpee-Pull-Up, as many reps or rounds as possible. It's a metabolic and muscular endurance monster. Here's how it works. Set a timer for 10 minutes and complete as many rounds as possible of 5 burpees, followed by 3 pull-ups. Sound simple? Think again. This challenge rapidly elevates your heart rate while demanding upper body strength and full body coordination. Burpees build explosiveness and cardio fitness, while pull-ups test back, grip, and shoulder power. This combo targets everything from your lats and chest to your glutes and hamstrings. This one is a crowd favorite for fitness creators. Set your camera, time yourself, and share your AMRAP score with followers. Bonus points if you do it in a public park or challenge a friend to a side-by-side showdown. It's raw, real, and super engaging. Whether you're a beginner doing jumping pull-ups or an advanced athlete hitting strict reps, the scalability makes it ideal for all fitness levels. You'll burn calories and build muscle together. Jumping isn't just for plyo days anymore. The box Jump Gauntlet tests lower body power, agility, and coordination. Line up 3 to 5 different box heights or obstacles and perform repeated jumps with minimal rest. Complete 3 rounds of 10 jumps each, progressing in difficulty. This challenge torches calories, activates fast twitch muscle fibers, and boosts vertical power, all while sharpening footwork and landing control. Great for athletes, crossfitters, or anyone wanting that explosive edge. Online, this makes for thrilling content. Capture your highest jump and tag it with #JumpChallenge or #BoxGauntlet. Time yourself or compete with friends. Show fails too. They're authentic and help others feel encouraged to try. Don't have a plyo box? Use sturdy stairs, low benches, or stack soft mats. Just make sure safety comes first. Push hard, stay light on your feet, and record those air times. And there you have it. 3 high-impact functional fitness challenges to test your strength, endurance, and mindset. Whether you're training in a gym, at home, or with an online audience, these routines bring intensity and excitement to every session. Best of all, they're simple to implement and easy to share. So start recording, challenge your friends, and tag us in your progress. Don't just work out, train with purpose and have fun doing it. Drop your favorite challenge in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more powerful fitness content. Keep moving and stay functional. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay healthy.